Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to solve a common issue that trips up a lot of developers when setting up a Python virtual environment in PowerShell. Specifically, this problem happens when trying to activate the virtual environment, and PowerShell throws a security error. Don't worry though, we'll walk through it step by step and fix it together. Let's dive in. First, open your project folder in Visual Studio Code. For this tutorial, we've got a folder called Learning Flask open. You can follow along with any folder you're working on. Now that we have our folder open in VS Code, let's go ahead and create our virtual environment. In the integrated terminal at the bottom, enter the following command. This command will create a virtual environment within your project folder. If you check your folder, you should see a new folder called venv created inside. Next, let's try to activate the virtual environment. To do that, we enter the following command. But wait! Instead of successfully activating the environment, PowerShell throws a security error. You'll see something like this. This happens because, by default, PowerShell restricts the execution of scripts, including the activate.ps1 script used to activate virtual environments. But don't worry, we can easily fix this. Open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Check the current execution policy by typing the get-execution policy command. Here the output says restricted. That means PowerShell is blocking scripts from running. Change the execution policy to allow scripts to run for the current user. Type the command as shown in the screen. The remote signed policy allows local scripts to run, but it still blocks scripts that are downloaded from the internet unless they are signed by a trusted publisher. After entering this command, PowerShell will ask you to confirm. Press Y and hit Enter to confirm the change. Now that we've updated the execution policy, let's go back to VS Code. In the integrated terminal, try running the activation command again. And there we go. The virtual environment is now activated, and you should see venv appear at the beginning of your terminal prompt like this. This means you're all set. Your virtual environment is now active, and you can start installing dependencies and working on your project. And that's it. You've just solved the security issue and activated your virtual environment in PowerShell. This is a simple fix that can save you time and frustration in future projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!